back to my channel. My name remains Toluani. On this channel, I upload videos on businesses, on education, and on career. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Please, if you have not done the subscribing, please make sure you do that right now. The reason why I'm saying you should subscribe to my channel, firstly, is to help my channel to grow, and the other reason is just because it will make you to be notified and for you to see it when a new content is being uploaded. So thanks for doing that. Thanks for choosing Toluani. So let's go into the business of the day. Welcome back to this channel. So today I want to talk about how to start a thrift business. What does thrift means? Thrift is an imported goods, her clothes that is being imported into the country. It is being imported into the country and it is being packed in sacks, and there are different sizes for it that is being packed. Let me tell you, some people might not know what I'm really talking about. Thrift business is also in our land in Nigeria. It's also called selling of okirika, or selling of second-hand clothes. Yes, so that is what thrift means. So actually, you might be hearing of this business before. Maybe you also desire to go into this business. There are a lot of things that you need to know about this business, and this is the reason why I'm employing you to make sure you watch to the end, so that you're not going to start a business that you don't really know things about. There are a lot that you need to know, and let's start quickly. So what are those things that you need to know apart from you having your capital for this business? Okay, in my previous video, I talked about business that you can do with just 50,000 naira, and this business is part of it. Apart from you having your capital, there are other things that you're supposed to put in place for this business. Then what are those things? You're supposed to have your good camera, because you need to display it on social media so that people will be able to see it and they'll be able to love it. Is that you have a phone that the camera is okay, or you have a good camera itself that you'll be able to display it. You need to go and look for a marketplace on social media and that you are going to secure. That one also is going to cost you money, that you will be displaying your products. Another thing that you will need is you having a good iron. You cannot just go and buy those clothes from market and you will start selling it if you really want people to patronize you. So you need to have a good iron to make the beauty of those clothes to come out. And supposed to have an hanger, also have hanger, or the racks, the hanger racks, that you'll be able to hang those clothes even after it has been ironed, and so that you'll be able to, if you are snapping, so that it's going to come out fine. And another thing that you must have apart from this hanger is you must have a good backdrop, so that when you are snapping it, it's going to come out nice and it's going to come out attractive even to other people. So when all of these things has been put in place, what are those things that you need? Don't forget, you also have your nylon package, how you desire to package it, the label you want to put on it, and every other thing that is being needed. So you need to put all of these things in place, so that this business is going to move fast and people will be able to patronize you well in this business. So after you've already put all of these things in place, what are those things that is being needed that you need to do? The next thing that you need to do is, what are your target audience? What are those people that you are targeting? Are they males or female? Are they students? And this is going to give you a view of what you are buying from the market. You've decided on your niche, those your target audience that you want to be dealing with. Then where are you going to buy those clothes from? Okay, I'm going to list places where you can buy those clothes from. You can get it from Katangwa, which is super. You can get it from Oshodi. They also sell in Bill in Oshodi, and you can get it from Idumota. If you are in Lagos, you can get it from Idumota. These are the place, and also Yaba. These are the other places where they are selling these clothes, where they are selling these thrift businesses, where you can get your clothes from Bill. So if you don't have the power or the financial capacity of you buying it in Bill, what are What are other means at which you can use to get this clothes? You can look for people that they pair together, that they pair the bills together, that you can share the bills together. You can look for them, and you are going to buy it, then you are going to share it at the end of the day, and you can buy it in bill. You can go to market and go and select it yourself. Okay, things that people don't know about this business. If you are buying in bill, don't forget that this business is a black market. You don't know what is inside it. It is only when you've already purchased it and you open it, when you are told, that is when you will know things that is being packed inside. And don't forget that this clothes that you are talking about, we have different, this thrift business, we have different thrift that is being imported into the country from different countries. We have the one that comes from China, we have the one that comes from Canada, we have the one that comes from US and UK. So the ones that is being sold at Katangwa, it is from China. So we have others that comes from US also. So don't just mix things. Others, when you say I want to sell this thrift business, or I want to sell second hand business or okirika clothes, if you are going to super, or if you are going to Katangwa, that means you are buying the China, the one that is being imported from China. Those are the ones that they are selling over there. But if it is if the ones from other country, you can go to Yaba, you will see it from there, and you can go to other places, then you ask. So if you want to place smart and you don't want to go into risks, I will suggest that you go to market and you go and pick it yourself. You pick those designs that you want. You are going to pick it, and it is what you are seeing that you are picking. So it's not as if what has been packed inside. Another thing I want you to know is that if you are going to this business, it is not that, hey, I want to buy the one that is, I want to buy jeans, I want to buy gown, I want to buy business. So don't say that the bill I want to pick, oh, but yeah, maybe the bill I want to pick is going to be for this. It is mixed. Even some people, they will open adult clothes and they will meet children clothes inside it. But if you decide that, okay, this is what I want to do, I will employ you that you should go there and go and select those clothes, and you are going to be on the safer side of it. So another thing I want to tell you that this clothes, it is now expensive now. Don't just think that the amount they are selling it before and that's still the same amount they are still selling it now. Things are now expensive. Bill that is being sold for 100, it is now above 200 now in the market. So make sure that you place your plan aright, and don't just think that this clothes, it is what it is not expensive. Clothes are now expensive now in the market. So if you really want people to patronize you and you want to do fine in this business, make sure you put other things in place that is going to make your business to be attractive even to other people, and before you know it, this business is going to be large in your hands. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have any question concerning it, if you really want to go into business and you don't know how to go about it, please don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section, and your question in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and make sure you press the notification bell. Upload the new videos, you'll be able to see it. And don't forget to like it, and please help me to share it with your friends and other people. Till we meet again. Bye.